There is nothing better than entering a clean and fragrant bathroom, is there? And you know what's even better? You can make your bathroom smell good, simply and effortlessly. Do you want to know how? That's what you will learn in today's video. Even if it's not your favorite spot of your house, having a clean and fragrant bathroom is a synonym of care. And if there are two rooms that we always worry about keeping clean and organized, they are the kitchen and the bathroom, right? Today there are many different things on the market promising to keep your bathroom smelling good, from air fresheners to scented paper sheets. These products are very easy to find in supermarkets, but in today's video, you will learn how to use baby oil to make your bathroom smell good. Are you enjoying this video? Then what about giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends? To make your bathroom smell good using baby oil, you will need 1 toilet paper roll, baby oil or any essential oil. This will be the smell of your bathroom for many days, so choose the one you like the most. Directions. It is simple. Whenever you change your toilet paper roll, just put some drops of the oil you choose inside the roll. You don't need much, just 3 to 5 drops are more than enough. Put the roll in the holder and it's done. Whenever someone uses the paper, the motion will release the smell through the air. Easy, isn't it? Close the door to help keep the smell in. Besides that, to keep your bathroom always smelling good, you can clean the trash whenever necessary. To avoid smell, regularly clean the place, at least once a week. Regularly wash or change the sanitary brush to avoid the smells and to keep the cleaning efficient. See, these tricks, even though simple, help a lot to keep your bathroom clean. Following these tips, your bathroom will always be clean and smelling good. Do you know any tricks to keep the bathroom smelling good? Share it in the comments. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.